just got to the waterfall and there is hardly anybody here. There's one other couple, they just got here. So we basically have it to ourselves. It's 6:45, so it is super late. I don't know how long we're actually gonna be here, but yeah. So we can be here until 8:30 before they lock the gate, so. So we made it to the waterfall, obviously. The other people that were here left, so it is just us. We have this whole thing to ourselves. It is absolutely so beautiful here. We have been coming here since last summer, and it is always, always, always busy. So it is amazing that we have it here to ourselves right now. So we have 30 minutes to get back up the trail before they close the gate. It's not very long trail, luckily, but this has been so peaceful and so absolutely beautiful. I am so glad we did this. It is a little bit chilly. I did obviously get in the water and I am freezing to death. I have chill bumps, but so much fun. At a gas station to use the bathroom since it's an hour drive home. I think we're gonna get Domino's. It's like 8:40 at night and we haven't eaten yet, so we're hungry, so we're gonna do that.